All right, homeowners, this is your sign to replace those old, outdated floodlights outside and upgrade to these new solar-powered floodlights. Let's take a look. So we started off with this one over here, but it really just wasn't getting the job done. But not to worry, the new one here has 240 LEDs that give it a 1600 lumen brightness. Fantastic for a solar-powered device. It does come with anchors and screws to help you install it. The removable design is actually really helpful when you're trying to drive those screws into. That way you can get it right where you want it. The 3 lamp heads do swivel. That way you can put them right where you need them. And they even have screws so that you can tighten or loosen them depending on what you need there. The sensor is very receptive, which is awesome for safety and security purposes. The light stays on for 20 seconds during the nighttime, and you'll notice during the daytime, it turns itself right off. So a really simple little device. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'd highly recommend grabbing one of these to replace those old lights, and stay safe out there. Peace.